and we are in front of the new Burstner Campeo C540 Skyline, and I will be checking all the specs right now with the final price of 68,970, and we shall be checking the complete outside and inside, getting firstly to the back side of the actual campervan, measuring the bed on the side with 1.3 from this side, and we are trying to understand 1.3 also from that side. So this is a 1.3 actual bed with a pretty good garage space, measuring 1.1, and it's 0.91 at the widest part. This has a pop-up roof, so you will be able to sleep 4 people inside, and we will be entering and checking up this actual new poster from Skyline. Looks pretty nice. There is a smaller sitting situation right up here because they are getting the bed slightly more capable. From this side, pneumatic fridge that you can open other parts, and also there is the pop-up roof situation with the new Fiat Ducato chassis in the front. I will be entering right now to check the other features of the Campeo C540. So we have the pop-up roof bed, pretty wide and nice. Then we have one cabinet right up here. There is no space to put anything right up here, just some small items there. Then the table with the folding part, smaller sitting situation, and then the burner stove with just one bigger and one smaller cabinet, and the actual part to open. Small part to put your belongings, actually, and coffee machine. And then we have a smaller bathroom to take a shower and use the actual Thetford cassette toilet. Not bad, not perfect. And as I measured, this bed is quite wide for this type of campervans, and I almost broke something. And then there is the space and cabinets on the upper part of the bed. Not bad. I will be now exiting so I don't smash anything more, and check again the Campeo 540C.